This is the Gen 4 phone holder from DisplayBracket.com. I'd like to go through kind of how to install it and how the system works. So in the base bracket kit, you'll get the actual base bracket. You'll get adhesive dots, 4 spacers, and then 4 longer bolts. The bracket can be installed on the back of a Gen 4 screen on the armrest, an extended monitor, or a 4640 display. On the armrest and the extended monitor, you can install the bracket to have the phone on the right side or on the left side of the screen. To install the bracket, you've got to use these adhesive dots to be able to adhere the spacers onto the back of the bracket. So once you've determined what side you want your phone to be on, you'll apply the little adhesive dot onto the spacer, and then you'll apply the spacer onto the side of the bracket that will be touching the armrest. On the back of the kit, there is instructions on what you need to do, but the reason you're using these spacers is the back of this screen is raised up, and if you didn't use these spacers, there would be a little air gap, and when you put the bolt through, that's going to weaken over time. So by using the spacer, you get a nice solid rigid mount all the way through. You install all 4 spacers onto the bracket, and then of course send the bolt through the armrest, through the spacers, and into the back of the screen. And then once this is installed, you'll install a 1-inch RAM mount ball, and then of course the RAM mount arm, and then in this case the phone tray. And if you install these in multiple pieces of equipment, if you just put a baseball on every bracket, then if you want to, you can move the phone holder from the combine into the tractor, and all you're moving is the actual tray and the arm, and this baseball stays with each piece of equipment. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can order these at DisplayBracket.com.